we've got an exciting new feature release, and this one is about the Facebook and Instagram comment automation. Now the CRM offers the capability to automatically trigger actions based on comments made on Facebook or on Instagram posts. This is an extremely anticipated release, and I'm so glad to be able to share this one with you. Let's first talk about those benefits. Well, first of all, this is going to allow automated engagement. Now, businesses can set up triggers to respond to comments on their Facebook or Instagram posts. You can customize your responses. The system allows businesses to create personalized responses. And this is going to allow flexible workflow automations with the new ability to add buttons and perform actions such as opening a website or calling a phone number based on interactions. You can create dynamic and interactive engagement experiences. Now, let's talk about those practical use benefits. Let's say you're a small business. I'm going to guess you most likely are. And now you can use the CRM to manage your social media presence. With the new Facebook and Instagram comment automation feature, the boutique business or any business can automatically respond to customer inquiries or feedback on its posts, ensuring prompt and personalized engagement without manual intervention. Imagine how much time this is going to save you, and imagine what you'll be able to do with this new feature. So let's go ahead into where this is located and how to get this set up. First, we need to start a new workflow. So we're going to go into automation and then into workflow. From workflow, we're going to click plus create workflow. I'd like you to go ahead and select Start from Scratch for this walkthrough. Now, when we start, we're going to add that trigger. So you're going to go ahead and click on plus add new trigger. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and select the Facebook, Instagram comment on a post option. Now you're going to go ahead and add a page. You're going to go to Page Is, then you're going to select the page and you're going to save. Now you'll have previously needed to integrate your Facebook and Instagram accounts into the CRM, but once that's been done, you will have access to those right within the workflow. Now let's go ahead and select a post type. So you're going to click on Post Type Is, and then you're going to select something like, i.e. Published Post. From there, we're going to go into Select the Post again, and this post is, and then go ahead and select what makes sense for your business. Now we're going to select View on Facebook. And this is going to be the post is, and then you're going to add the post hyperlink. Now you can select a post type, and in this area it will be post type is, custom, and then you'll do post type is, hyperlink. Now let's go ahead and add those filters by clicking on the plus filters button. Go ahead and select the comment content. So this is under standardized fields, contains phrase, and you're going to utilize exact match. And now you can track first level comments only by toggling the first comments only on. Now we need to go into some new actions. So we are going to select an action and we're going to go to Facebook Interactive Messenger, or we're going to choose Instagram Interactive Messenger so that we can then respond on comment, which is the other option that's available. Now go ahead and select your reply type. So it could be reply to a DM. It could also be reply to a comment via a DM. Now let's go ahead and configure the message. So you're going to go ahead and select the template, and you're going to, if you don't already have a template, you're going to compose a new message. From there, we need to add buttons. So you're actually going to click on the Add New button. And then you're going to use those buttons to select a form, open a website, call number, or perform any specific actions. You're going to then configure that button. So I want you to look at button name, type, and then you'll enter the phone number, the URL, or the website based on what works perfect for you. We also need to put in the default wait time. So that is under wait step, and we're going to put that in the way it's going to make sense for our businesses. Now we also have the respond on comment action. So we're going to go ahead and click Add New Response. Now let's just check out that workflow. This is what the workflow is very likely going to look at. What's great now is this is what that message is going to look like in Messenger. This new feature empowers businesses just like yours to streamline social media engagement, automate responses, and create interactive experiences, ultimately enhancing customer relationships and driving business growth. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.